Hello everyone. So in this video, we will learn how to send SMS to HubSpot records. So imagine this, you have created a new contact called as John in HubSpot. You have John's name, email address, phone number, and all those details. So you plan to send a thank you message to John via SMS. So here you have two choices. The first choice is you can copy all the details of John from HubSpot, sort it out, compose a message, and send it manually via SMS. So the problem is this process is actually very repetitive and tiresome considering you have many contacts. So I suggest that you bring in some automation so that whenever a new record is added in HubSpot, it will automatically send an SMS. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate HubSpot and SMS sending apps like Twilio. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so we will begin with a small example. So this is my HubSpot profile, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on contacts and I'm going to create a new contact. So the idea is that whenever a new contact is created in HubSpot, the person will be receiving the SMS. So let me just create a contact. Okay, so imagine this, the name of the person is Tom, okay, Tom Rivera. So this is his email, Tom Rivera 123@gmail.com. So basically this is a very random person and the first name is Tom, okay, and then we have the last name is Rivera, and the job title, he is an architect, okay, and this is his phone number. Now this is the most important part because we will be sending the message to this particular phone number. Okay, so this is the phone number. Okay, so we have entered the phone number and he's added as a subscriber. The lead status is of course new, and let me just create a contact. Okay, so a contact called as Tom Rivera has been created. So let's have a look what's the message that Tom Rivera has got. Okay, so basically this is the message that Tom Rivera has got. Hello Tom Rivera, thanks for subscribing to HubSpot. So that's the idea. Whenever a new contact is added in HubSpot, the person will be getting a confirmation message as an SMS. So to begin the actual integration process, first of all, we are just going to open a new tab, and here I'm going to type pabbly.com. Pabbly.com it is. So basically the purpose of Pabbly is it has an app called as Pabbly Connect to integrate HubSpot and Twilio. Now Twilio is an SMS sending app. So of course you can use many other different apps to send SMS. The process is almost the same. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. So let me just scroll down, and here you will find Connect. Just click on Access Now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, Create Workflow. Click this, a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as HubSpot to Twilio. HubSpot to Twilio. Okay, so this is the name of the workflow. Let me just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as HubSpot CRM. Okay, this is the one we want. Now comes the part called as the trigger event. How about we make it as new contact added. Okay, so new contact added is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question: if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new contact is added, then what action should be taken by the system? Now at present we have many trigger events like new deal added, new company added, new product added, and so on. All of them are bunch of trigger events. Now in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build a trigger event for you. But at present I just want to send the data when a new contact is added in HubSpot. So let me just click on connect with HubSpot CRM. Okay, so in the new credentials we have to fill in the API key. So to fill in the API key, let me just go to HubSpot. So this is my HubSpot account. So first of all, I'm going to click on this part called as settings. Click this. Okay, so in the settings, you will find an option called as integration. So this is the integrations tab. And when we expand this, you can expect to find the API key. This is the part where you want to click this. Okay, so this is your API key. It's actually trying to generate. Give it 1 or 2 seconds. So basically this is the API keys. Just let me remove the privacy. Okay, of course I'm not a robot. Okay, so yeah, this is your API key. Let me just click on copy, and the API key has been copied. Let me just paste it here. Okay, so the API key has been entered. Let me just click on save. Okay, so basically at this point, when you click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of the recently created contact. I repeat again, when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of the recently created contact. Now, as you may remember, the recently created contact was Tom Rivera. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so let me just show you. Okay, so as you can see, these are the details of Tom Rivera. So this is the email tomrivera123@gmail.com. The first name is Tom. The last name, where is the last name? It's actually a bit at the bottom. So the last name is at the bottom. The last name is Rivera. Yeah, we do have the name Rivera. The job is he works as an architect and he has been added as a subscriber. And of course, where is our phone number? Phone number of Tom Rivera. So basically, we will be sending the message, a confirmation message or a thank you message to Tom Rivera on this phone number. So as I mentioned before, we are using Twilio to send the SMS. Now, of course, if you have any other different apps that you want to send SMS, you can also do it by the same way. It's actually the same method, almost the same method. So let me just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So here in the choose app, how about we make it as Twilio? Twilio it is. Now in the action event, how about we make it as send SMS message? Then click on connect with Twilio. Okay, so in the new credentials, we have to fill in the account SID, authorization token, and again the account SID. So to get all these details, let's have a visit to Twilio. So this is my Twilio account, and first of all, I'm just going to click on the gear button. So this is at the right top corner. Click on this gear button and just click on settings. Okay, so when you click on settings, okay, so it's asking me to authenticate. So let me just enter the password. Okay, so this is my password and I have entered it. Okay. Excellent. So when you click on your password, you will find the section of API credential. So basically here you have two choices, the live credentials as well as the test credentials. So you have to go to the live credentials. Let me just copy this. This is your account SID and I have pasted it here. So I have pasted the account SID. So now we have to enter the authorization token. So to get the authorization token, just remove the privacy, copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so we are ready. Okay, so there is one more thing, that is you have to actually re-enter the account SID once again. So again, I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, easy. So we have entered the account SID 2 times and the authorization token here. So let me just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to compose a message from the data that we have received from HubSpot via Pabbly Connect. Now, before we start mapping, there are two things I have to show you, the sender number and the recipient number. So the sender number is basically the approved sending number that you have from your Twilio account. In my case, this is my sender number. Okay, so we have entered my sender number, and now coming to the recipient number. So let's start mapping the recipient number. So this is the mapping button. Okay, so we will find all the data that we have received from HubSpot. So as you may know, this is my number. Okay, so I have mapped it. Now there is something else you should know. So it is demanding a particular format in which the number should be mapped. For example, it has the Indian standard code that is +91. So you should always enter the standard codes. So in my case, this number belongs to India, that is +91. So I have added +91 here. Now coming to the body of the SMS, so we are just going to map or compose a very simple message. Hello. Okay. And to enter a new line, I'm just going to enter /n. And in the /n, after /n, I'm just going to map in the name. So hello Tom. And this is the first name and this is the last name. Okay, hello Tom Rivera. Thanks for subscribing to HubSpot. Subscribing to HubSpot. I'm sorry. Okay, subscribing to HubSpot. I'm sorry. Okay, subscribing to HubSpot. Okay, so that would do. Hello, Tom, last name Rivera. Thanks for subscribing to HubSpot. And you can also enter the rest of the details. This is your email. Okay, so let's map in the email. So email is Tom Rivera123. And this is your work profile. Okay, so the work profile was he was I don't remember what he was doing. He was an architect, I think. Yes, he was an architect. Okay. Thanks for subscribing to HubSpot. This is your email and this is your work profile. Okay, excellent. So when I click on save and send test request, it will send this data as an SMS to Tom Rivera. So let me do that. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the message has been sent. So let's have a look. So this is the message that Tom Rivera has received. Hello, Tom Rivera. Thanks for subscribing to HubSpot. This is your email, tomrivera123@gmail.com, and this is your work profile, that is architect. Excellent. So the presence of this message shows that we have successfully integrated Twilio as well as HubSpot with help of Pabbly Connect. Now, before we go, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. First, you integrated HubSpot CRM to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Twilio. So now there's a perfect flow of data between HubSpot and Twilio. Excellent.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.